Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how camera pro mode looks on the HTC U23 Pro. Okay, so first of all we have to go for the more modes, and if you cannot find it you can just do this by going to the left side, and let me show you how you can adjust the parameters. So the first one, that's the matrix metering. The next one, it's ISO level. Right here we can set up shutter speed, even for the 32 seconds. In this place we can find exposure compensation. And as you can see, that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually, because there is no this A button like, for example, in the shutter speed. So we can only control this exposure manually. There we can find also the white balance. Right here we can set focus manually or automatically. And honestly, that's all for the camera pro mode. For this device you can also turn on the flashlight by tapping right here on the left upper corner. And that's the quality of the photo taken with the flashlight. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.